Sorry, we lost a little video there. For those who miss it, there's the PEI dirt contaminating the beautiful Vancouver beach sand. Man, that bottle stinks. Or is that just the sulfur or Vancouverite?
No, that's the bottle. Oh, take a smell of that. It smells like rotting eggs.
That's 22 eggs in a bottle.
We just stuffed our faces with sushi. That's not feeling. That's not tasting.
That's not what we need.
That's not sitting
terrible.
well right now.
That is actually terrible.
Ah, it smells like no.
It was a hell of a journey. Stay tuned. We have a shout out video going with all the people that we met.
This is the guy we picked up on the way to
Mr. Scott Hastings.
We don't know him.
It's Mr. Spontaneous.
Love it. We love it.
Yeah.
Wow.
We'll
So
there's an
Wild
empty
West
bottle.
Coast.
Hey, look, it's a jumper.
we did it. We made it.
Yeah, we'll have
And
a shout out
now-
video.
You will have a shout out
Thanking
video.
everyone who helped us along the way.
We'll go our separate ways and we'll never see each other again.
Thank God.